built a beehive, and we are making some adjustments to it. Our bees have come, and we had ordered some frames, but they didn't come in, but the wax, the actual beeswax foundation did. And of course, you know, nothing we do is without trouble, but we get through it. So we ran down to Murdoch's and we bought a box of frames. But these are plastic frames, foundation, with the foundations in them that's plastic. Wood frames, plastic foundations, and they're coated in beeswax. These ones that we're replacing the black ones with are actually all beeswax, which is what we want in our hive. We just, I don't know, something's really wrong with plastic foundation. That's just my personal opinion. So we are adapting and taking these out and putting these in. Unfortunately, these frames don't come apart, so we're doing the best that we can to not ruin the wax.
Adapt the frame so we can put them in.
And adapt the frames so that we can put them in for our bees, which we will be transferring into the hive this afternoon.
All right, so we have finished off the deep frames. We put them in our Langstroth horizontal hive that we got free plans off of the internet and built. So let's go check out the hive. Have our bee box out. We have about 10 to 12,000 bees in this bee box that we're getting pretty darn close to releasing. At some point in the not too distant future, we're going to go ahead and pry the top off. We're going to get the queen out, and we've got a little kit to mark her. And then we're going to release the bees into our new beehive. So this is the Langstroth horizontal hive. We got the plans for this off of horizontalhive.com, Dr. Leo Sharashkin, his website. A lot of really good free plans on there. We decided to build it from scratch to save some money. This cost us all less than $200. This one took me a couple weekends and a few evenings of a couple hours here and there added in. I'm not any expert carpentry person and stuff, and we actually merged 3 different plans that were on that website. So there's the gable roof plan, the main Langstroth horizontal hive plan, and then there was another plan, oh actually I guess it's 4. One for the screen pans on the bottom, and then what's called the vented lid and stuff. So we have the boards on top with 2 boards that have vents in it. So it's got a vented lid, a gable top, a tray bottom, and then the basic hive, all kind of mixed together. That's part of what took me a little bit of extra time, was trying to figure out the basic box with the detailed differences that I needed to add this on the bottom, the gable on the top, and the screen and stuff. So pretty soon we're going to have all our bees in their happy little home. Have a whole bunch of bees.
They really should make this a little easier. I get why they're not doing it that way, but I am just fine. So, there's no can, which there's supposed to be. Where the heck is the queen? That's the candy. This is a problem. So the queen looks good and healthy. This is what she'll look like. She'll come in a little container. Okay, so we have our little marking kit here. So I'm just going to take this cork out here. Maybe. Put my finger over it. And now we want her to go in here. Nope. This is our first time doing this, so bear with us. I've never marked a bee before. There we go. And we're going to block that off so she doesn't get out. Put our cork in the other end. Wow. Alright. So now we want her to come in here. Here we go. Now we've got her in here. And we want to mark right behind her head. Right there. It'll just make it a lot easier for us to see her in the hive when we're working in there. And then we'll just let her go, let her dry a little bit. We don't want to put it on her wings. We want to make sure that we don't put it on her wings. All right. And we did this in our smallest bathroom because if she got away from us, we would be able to then catch her easier than in a big room or outside. You don't want to do it outside because if you lose her, she's gone. We're going to put her back in her little beehive. There we go. I'll put the sponge back in here. Oh. See, I almost lost her there. The queen is good. So I've put a marshmallow in the end here instead of putting the cork back in of our marked little queen bee here. If they want to release her, they'll eat the marshmallow and release her out into their hive. Filming this? We are releasing the bees into the hive. We want them to accept the queen, so we want to put some on the queen too.
You don't have to get them all out?
Nope, just the majority of them.
Yep. And then you set the box on its side.
The opening is over here. And we are going to just set this down here. If they can get off of it, it'll be a lot easier. We have all the frames in there.
That says to go slow.
I'm going to slowly set them down because I don't want to smash any bees. They're so happy. So we're going to finish this up. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to ding that bell to get all the updates. Talk to you later.